Due to the exceptional light optical properties of Celtra press, you can achieve excellent aesthetics quality already in a monolithic restoration. Customization with only 3 universal stains and the final glaze can be carried out quickly and accurately. Customize the mesial and distal ridge areas with incisal stain I1. Then, highlight the areas between the mamelons with some violet. And characterize the mamelon structures in the incisal area with cream stain. After stain firing, only high-flue universal overglaze is applied across the monolithic restoration. The final shade check against the Shade tab confirms the quick and easy shade reproduction with great aesthetics.